Everything came and evolved under this cloud. Everything is from here. Sidanganywe na mtu anakuambia ati this is holy, this is what, this bullshit. Everything here is a concept, Sheila. Everything is a concept. Everything. How you go to the toilet is a concept. How you are supposed to eat in a restaurant is a concept. How you are supposed to eat home is a concept. How you are supposed to approach your parents is a concept. How you are supposed to deal with everything is a concept here. Up even to how you make sex is concept. This style, that style. This style, that style. So, upper people are, the problem is that we are buying into concepts. We are not buying into any truths here. Everything is a concept. School, religion, governments. Only one thing is not a concept, Sheila. This is what you have to know. And I want you to take this, to get this point very clear. I'm telling you, everything here is a concept. From how you build your houses is a concept. How you shit is a concept. How you put your pad is a concept. How you make love with your wives and girlfriends is a concept. Religion is a concept. Only one thing is not a concept. It is called nature. Sheila, nature, the air you breathe, the water, these are not concept. Nature. Last time I told you, the word nature comes from the Egyptian word natur, which means spirit. It means spirit. It means God. Nature means God. All other things, Sheila, are concepts. If you want truth, focus on nature. The word natural comes from two words. From natural, which is spirit, and the word al. Al was an ancient Latin connector, which means like of, like son of. So natural means of spirit, of God. Something natural is of spirit of God. But if it's not, Sheila, anything which is not natural here is a concept. Sheila, take it or leave it. This one does not need even your belief. Anything which is not appearing natural is a concept. Natural, nature is what God is what spirit is. It just is. It is not manipulated to be. It is not distorted to be. It just is. Not supporting this, not denying this. It is one with the all. That is what nature does. The sun, the air, the sky, the clouds, the trees, the grass, the soil. Sheila. Natural. And they will serve unconditionally. When people are told, if you take people and tell them, okay, come, religious people take them, okay, define to me what the unconditional love of God is. They will start mentioning you how they struggle in life and they got a job, a wife, now they have a car, they have their own houses. That is the unconditional love of God. Sheila, people are stuck to physicality. Unconditional love of God is everyone breathes. It's natural, no matter who you are. You are a prostitute. Another one is a saint. You are all going to goddamn breath. It is life. Unconditional love of God is life. Sheila, God gives life to all things. God gives existence to all things. All things come into manifestation within God. All things exist within God. Existence is what God is. The universe is what God is. The unconditional love of God is life. It gives life to all things. And all things are evolving, becoming new at every moment. Sheila, these are what esoteric teachings are. Sheila, the hidden teachings. Sheila, what I'm sharing with you is what is called the occult teachings, the hidden knowledge. When they tell you cult is something demonic, it is not. Cult means secret knowledge, and that is what Jesus was doing to his disciples. He gave it to them, but to others he gave to them in parables. Though they have eyes, they don't see. Ears, they don't hear. This is what Jesus did. Sheila, Jesus taught many things. All what is left for you are just parables. But the deepest teachings, Sheila, can only be attained from within. Immediately you start seeking from within, Sheila, you'll find yourself in the hidden knowledges. How you reach the hidden knowledges, you don't know. And this is what the controllers are using to manipulate our reality with. They are using us to create their own reality. The controllers are manipulating your mind. You are calling upon the name of Jesus instead of just thinking straight. Sheila, when I tell you that God has got nothing to give us, we are just dumb, you should always believe me. Sheila, free choice, free will. I have been questioning free will for a long time. That does free will exist if there is manipulation? Just to come to know that it exists, free will, even manipulation. You fall into manipulation through, Sheila, through your own free choice. Free will exists. Either you like it or not. Either you are using it consciously or not. Immediately you buy into bullshit outside here, it is out of your own free choice. Sheila, tell your friends to wake up. If you have friends, don't push them. Tell them, wake up. Don't tell them of your belief and many things. Tell them, wake up. Only. Tell them to wake up. You cannot tell anyone anything, Sheila. People will get overwhelmed for nothing. Tell them, wake up. When you are told to wake other people, you are not supposed to go and preach them. It's just telling them, Hey, no stories. Ukiambia ukamshe mtu Sheila, uwaga upelekagi story huko. Hata unaenda kumprichia mtu amke, hapana. You go, slap them, get lost. When they open their eyes tu unaambia amka. What is the time? Akishamka sasa anza kujikusanya. Don't tell you are not here to tell anyone of your belief. Sheila, everyone is experiencing the kingdom they are. This thing is infinite. You cannot convince anyone anything. Everyone, Sheila. Everyone, hii kitu watu wanaita heaven. Hii watu wanaita tujue mbinguni. Sheila, kila mtu akona mbinguni yake. Trust me. Hata ni mbinguni moja tu tutakwenda kuta. Sheila, kila mtu akona mbinguni yake. Everyone has got their own kingdom. Don't convince anyone of anything. Share with them what you can share with them. Listen to what they have to say. Don't argue with them. No one is wrong. Sheila. No, as much as some people are struggling, others are in wrong paths, and Sheila, no one is wrong. There is nothing God is not. No one is wrong. Everyone is perfect as the Father in heaven is perfect too. Everything is perfect here. No one is wrong. Listen to them. It is well with their soul. Their soul is at the right place at the right time. At the end of the day, we are all within God. We are experiencing plenty of God in abundance. Sheila, we are experiencing plenty of God in abundance. The reason why we are experiencing pains and turmoils outside here, it is the meanings we have given to God. Sheila, what meaning you give to God? You experience that. Yeah. Sheila, I'm telling you, everyone is experiencing abundance of God. Oh, Lord Jesus, I want to experience you. Sheila, I'm telling you, these are dramas. Everyone is experiencing plenty, fullness, abundance of God. Hizi vitu kunge zinatukwaza mtu auliza if we are experiencing God, why is everything outside here crazy? Why is everything outside here crazy? Nothing is crazy here. Sheila, there's nothing crazy here. There's nothing crazy. It is the meanings, Sheila. No one is experiencing anything out here. People are experiencing the meanings they have put into things. That this means this. And therefore it triggers that within you. That emotion. It is the meaning. That's why I'm telling you that we are here to renew things. Sheila, you can renew anything. Immediately you renew a situation to another name, it scrambles down and picks the new vibration. No matter how ugly it is. Sheila, kingdom can only be claimed. It's not given. And it can only be claimed in those parts which seems to be full of darkness. You claim them to light. The more you claim them to light, the more light becomes full. You claim them to light, the more, until they are finished, then we become one with God. Not running away from things.
Sorry.
We're not running away from things, but claiming the kingdom, Sheila, claiming the kingdom out here by renewing and renaming things. Sheila, that is the power which we were given. That was that when the original man was created, This is what he was told. Start naming things. Start, Sheila. It is through knowing and naming. And he named, this is going to be a cat, and it became a cat. Until today, it is called a cat. We are here to know. We are here to know. Everything can be known. Everything can be re-known. That's why God says, I make all things new. It is every moment. Everything can be re-known. The reason things are the way they are is because they were known to be so. It is not the time of going by collective. When collective have known this to be that, Sheila, you can re-know that to become your new experience. That is the power which you have. That was the power of Adam. When he was told, start naming them, he named them. And he was very fast. You are going to be a cat. No question, go. You will be a zebra, go. You will be an elephant, go. Go. No question. And it became that. That is the power of re-knowing or knowing, and the power of naming or renaming. When you name something, you have given it meaning. When you have named something, you have given it meaning. The reason why you have given it meaning is because you have known it. Through the knowing, Sheila, I'm telling you, it is just knowing everything and re-knowing to grander scales. Immediately you name something, you have known it. You cannot name anything in this world without knowing it. And the knowing is the creation part. So you can re-know anything here. No matter how ugly it is, you can re-know it as beautiful and it becomes beautiful, Sheila. It is not a lie. People have to wake up. It is not a lie. You have that power to re-know everything because everything here changes, Sheila. Everything here changes. Your table, if you want to re-know it right now, you want firewood, you can change your table into firewood. You have known it. You have re-known the table, Sheila. It is now firewood. Everything changes here. Everything is here to be known and re-known, not once, Sheila. This is why people are missing this lesson. They are missing the whole thing of soul lesson in this place. We are not here to know something and move. Sheila, not knowing one thing, you finish with it, you go to another thing. It is not that, Sheila. If you know something, you re-know. Don't leave it. You get another thing, know it, re-know. It is re-knowing, bringing, growing with all things as one. Sheila, hii ndio inaitwa oneness. You re-know everything. You re-know everything. And everything evolves. Not renewing one, renaming only situation. Renewing situation. You can re-know everything, even your bed, even your underpants. Sheila, you can re-know everything and everything evolves, Sheila, and reality changes. We are waiting for miracles. Tangoja sana. Sheila, we have the power of knowing. The knowing from within is powerful, because Sheila, if you know something from within your heart, even if 1,000 people come and convince you, you won't move from that point. It is firmly grounded from within. You can know anything in truth from within. You can know everything from truth. And that is why we are here. We are here to enjoy, to have fun. We are put here to practice being creators, Sheila, but we are not into this. Sisi tunaona tu everything is working against us, the chaos, in, out, in front, forward, sideways, everywhere. We are here to be enjoying, Sheila. Everything happening to us is beautiful. It is our own creation. This is the beauty of creation. God manifesting and expressing himself as everything, crazy, the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything. It's the beauty of creation, Sheila. If you become into peace with that, Sheila, nothing is going to trigger even your one single hair. No matter how it's unfolding here. Sheila, that is the truth which brings you to the truth, which is God. Sheila, the truth is that everyone is experiencing their emotions. Kila kitu kunje, things can be happening outside here, but they could not be touching you. But you are feeling them within you, fear, resentment. Kila kitu you are feeling, it is the emotional. Immediately outside here, you just appreciate that this is the beauty of creation. This is the beauty of God. He can manifest as shit. He can manifest as flowers. Let me tell you one thing. When you have that and make it your practice, to you, everything manifesting here, Sheila, you'll be just be looking at it now and just, this is another beauty of creation. God manifesting in a crazy thing. Then you laugh at it. Sheila, it doesn't trigger anything. In the midst of everything happening to you, you are at peace and joy. You have joy. You've become one with everything. You have become emotional balanced. You have joined the physical with the spiritual at that neutral point, Sheila. You are one with the within, and you are also one with the outward. Nothing is triggering anything. You are just present in awareness. Sheila, religion is very okay. We were there. I appreciate it. People have to pass through religion. People have to read scriptures properly. People have to follow religious morals and laws properly. Sheila, religion is important, but let me tell you one thing, it is childish.